Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a fan clutch. First, gather your tools like a fan clutch wrench, a serpentine belt tool, and a new fan clutch. Safety is key, so make sure your engine is cool and disconnect the battery. Next, you'll need to remove the upper fan shroud. This usually involves a few clips and bolts, giving you better access to the fan assembly. Now, it's time to remove the old fan clutch. Use your fan clutch wrench to loosen the large nut that secures it to the water pump shaft. This nut can be quite tight, so be prepared to apply some force. Once loose, carefully remove the entire fan and clutch assembly. Take a moment to inspect the old clutch for any obvious issues like leaks or wobbling. With the old clutch out, you can now install the new one. Carefully align the new fan clutch with the water pump shaft. Hand tighten the large retaining nut first to avoid cross-threading. Once it's snug, use your fan clutch wrench to tighten it securely. Finally, reinstall the fan shroud, making sure all clips and bolts are back in their original positions. You're almost done. Reconnect your battery and start the engine. Let it run for a few minutes, observing the fan's operation and listening for any strange noises. Keep an eye on your engine temperature gauge to ensure everything is working correctly. For other great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. This robot vacuum offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.